I'd like to talk to you today about adjusting the basket speed of your R2300 rake. First of all, you need to make sure that you have a tractor that has the ability to put out 6 gallons per minute of flow. If the basket is running too slow, you may have the opportunity to leave some material in the field, not move all the wet material if you're raking wet hay. If the basket is running too fast, you may do some premature damage to your tine bars, to the bearings of your basket. I recommend the first thing you do is tie a rag to the tine bar to be able to count the revolutions. I recommend a basket speed between 92 and 95 RPMs. A way to check that is to set a timer to 15 seconds and count the revolutions, and then take that number times 4. That will give you the total number of revolutions per minute. If you do not achieve the desired reel speed, adjust the flow control on your tractor. If the tractor is not equipped with the proper flow control, you can purchase a reel speed adjustment kit from your Vermeer dealer. For further details, refer to your operator's manual.